So this is the outdoor portable movie screen by AKIA. It is the ideal choice for a lightweight outdoor projector screen. It works with standard throw, short throw, or even ultra short throw projectors. Its aluminum tube frame construction allows the screen to be assembled quickly by joining the tube frames together for on-the-go presentations or movies in the backyard. Now, the screen material slides through the top, bottom, left and right posts, which allows for a properly tensioned projector surface for ripple-free images. The provided ropes, stakes, and water bags help keeping the screen stabilized, but it is not designed to withstand winds over 4 miles per hour. Now, the SilkWhite 2 material is compatible with all projectors to ensure an entertaining experience for every occasion. The 1.0 gain fabric is durable for outdoor use and provides a colorful and bright picture from any angle. It is available in a 125-inch diagonal and a 16:9 aspect ratio. The screen assembles and disassembles in minutes, and the provided small carrying bag holds the entire screen. So if you're looking for a screen that is easy to set up, easy to carry, and that allows you to watch movies in your backyard or outdoors, the AKIA portable movie screen is a great choice.
AKIA screens. Get the big picture.